Hi friends, what's up? Today I will show you 5 best sewing machines 2020. Today when you come to buy a product, take a smart look out for this. You can think of many different ones, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and much more. In this video I have reviewed with my own thoughts. You will find a link in the description below. You can collect a lot of information about the product by clicking there. And let's start the video without wasting time. If you want to see more products, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.
The fifth product on our list is the Brother XM2701. This is our best budget sewing machine. The Brother XM2701 offers a great, well-rounded sewing machine for only $90. It may not have all the features and functions of higher-priced models, but it's the right choice if saving money and space are your goals. This sewing machine features 27 unique built-in stitches that can handle all kinds of sewing techniques from decorative to blind hem, zigzag, and stretch stitching. A dial-based stitch selector allows you to cycle through each with complete ease. The automatic needle threader pushes thread perfectly through the needle without any guesswork, while a convenient drop-in top bobbin reduces the likelihood of jamming. The XM2701 also features a free arm mechanism that makes it great for a wide range of sewing duties. This machine also includes a built-in LED light to help better illuminate what you're sewing. The Brother XM2701 is friendly for beginners to learn on. This makes it a great option for those who are just getting started but don't want to pay too much for a more elaborate and expensive model. Yet, advanced users will still love what it has to offer. Those who work with heavier fabrics like denim may wish to choose a different sewing machine, however. The XM2701 measures 12.1 by 5.9 by 15.3 inches and weighs just over 12.5 pounds, so it doesn't take up too much space and it's not difficult to move around either. The features are stitch options. The XM2701 includes 27 built-in stitches for different techniques. The features: this sewing machine includes an automatic needle threader and jam-resistant drop-in top bobbin. Free arm. This sewing machine features a free arm that makes it easy for beginners to learn on. The pros are beginner-friendly. This sewing machine is well-priced for beginners to learn on. Versatile. This sewing machine features 27 built-in stitches for a variety of sewing tasks. LED light. This sewing machine includes an LED light which is great for low light conditions. And for the cons, fabric range. This sewing machine isn't meant for heavier fabrics like denim. If you're a beginner on a budget, then the Brother XM2701 is an excellent fit for your house. It's inexpensive to get started with, and it has more than enough features to make it your go-to sewing machine for most tasks. The fourth product on our list is the Singer Start 1304. Priced at just $80, the Singer Start 1304 offers great value if you're looking for a small, lightweight, and capable sewing machine. It isn't designed for larger tasks, but it's a well-rounded machine that is also convenient for beginners to learn on. The Singer Start operates at 750 stitches per minute with a maximum stitch width of 5 millimeters. It offers variable stitching options including zigzag, satin, scallop, straight, and blind hem that make it easy for beginners to gain confidence and experience. At 13 by 7 by 11.5 inches and weighing 11.5 pounds, it takes up very little space and is easy to move around the room if you so desire. Few sewing machines with this many features are so light, which is a great plus. It offers a robust set of features with a very intuitive design that more experienced sewers will also appreciate. The features are convenient. This sewing machine offers quick threading with included diagrams for easy setup. 4-step buttonhole. This sewing machine allows you to make buttonholes in 4 steps. Dual spool pins. This sewing machine offers twin needle sewing thanks to 2 vertical spool pins. Easy selection. Turn the dial to access a number of different stitch settings in one motion. The pros are affordable. This sewing machine is a great value option that is easy to use. Beginner friendly. This sewing machine is one of the best for beginners to learn on. Small footprint. This sewing machine takes up very little space and weighs very little, making it easy to move. And for the cons, jamming. This sewing machine is more prone to jamming, which can become a distraction. Limited speed. This sewing machine doesn't offer the fastest top speed in its class. This is a value-focused sewing machine aimed at beginners who are looking for a super user-friendly platform to learn and expand their skills. This, combined with its small footprint and light weight, makes it our best value option on this list and a fantastic machine to take care of your home sewing needs. The third product on our list is the Singer Heavy Duty 4423. This is our best sewing machine for beginners. If you're a beginner looking for an excellent sewing machine, the Singer Heavy Duty 4423 is a great buy at $150. It has all the features and functions needed to practice so you can move on to more advanced techniques. This machine can serve as a learning platform as well as a heavy-duty sewing machine for your home. The Singer Heavy Duty 4423 lives up to its name with a sewing speed of 1,100 stitches per minute, which is very good for its class. It can handle heavier fabrics including denim, vinyl, corduroy, and leather, where less powerful models might not be suited for. The Heavy Duty comes with 23 stitches, which are easy to adjust thanks to a dial turn system for stitch width and length. An automatic needle threader and top drop-in bobbin allow for speedier sewing jobs, while the free arm design allows you to access your material easily. 3 needle positions allow for precise stitching on zippers, top stitching, and more. The features are stitches. This sewing machine includes 23 built-in stitches for a variety of techniques and projects. Automatic needle threader. This helps you to thread the eye of the needle without any complications. Powerful. This sewing machine has a maximum sewing speed of 1,100 stitches per minute thanks to a strong motor that provides piercing power for thick seams. Accessories. This sewing machine comes packed with a huge variety of add-on accessories. The pros are versatile. This sewing machine is easy for beginners to learn on, yet powerful enough to handle more advanced tasks. Fast. This sewing machine has a stitching speed normally seen in high-end professional models. Powerful. This sewing machine can handle heavier fabrics where previous models on our list could not. And for the cons, limited warranty. This sewing machine only includes a 90-day defective warranty, which may feel too limited for some. The greatest benefit of the Singer Heavy Duty 4423 is versatility. It's more than easy enough for beginners to learn on, yet powerful enough to take you right through to more advanced sewing duties after you earn your stripes. It's a well-priced sewing machine with a lot of decorative and creative range. The second product on our list is the Brother CS6000i. This is our best quilting sewing machine. If you're looking for a great sewing machine that is great for quilt work, the Brother CS6000i offers excellent performance even for larger projects. Coming in at $140, it's competitively priced for those who want a capable quilting machine with easy-to-use functionality. It features 60 built-in stitches for a variety of tasks that you can choose instantly via the push of a button, also allowing you to choose stitch length and width. Choose from 20 decorative, 20 regular, 7 quilting, and 6 heirloom, and 7 auto buttonhole stitches for a very high level of versatility. Threading is easy and serves as the first step before moving on to the automatic needle threading system, which does most of the work for you with a simple press of a lever. The top drop-in bobbin saves even more time by eliminating the need to fish your thread. This machine focuses a lot on quilting, and the included table is quite large and reliable, making it perfect for those projects. The 7 individual quilting stitches are great to get you started without any hassle. The features are easy to use. The stitch selector switch allows you to easily see and choose your desired stitch. Auto needle threader. This quilting machine includes an automatic needle threader for more threading convenience. Quilting table. This sewing machine includes a wide quilting table for larger quilting projects. Free arm. This sewing machine features a free arm for easy access to materials, great for beginners. The pros are user-friendly. This sewing machine takes the difficulty out of computerized sewing setups. Quilting table. This sewing machine includes a top-notch quilting table designed for quilts and larger projects. Wide stitch range. This sewing machine includes 60 individual stitches with 7 dedicated exclusively to quilting. And for the cons, poor light. The included light sits in a poor position and does not offer great illumination. The Brother CS6000i is a great performer when it comes to quilts, but it's also a wonderful machine for all-purpose sewing tasks and even some larger projects thanks to its very large and well-designed quilting table that gives it a nice edge when it comes to versatility. The first product on our list is the Brother HC1850. This is our best overall sewing machine. For the best overall sewing machine with the most features, the Brother HC1850 is our pick. Priced at $140, it's well suited for most sewing tasks if you want a well-rounded machine with a lot of decorative and design options. The HC1850 offers an astounding 130 built-in stitches. This opens up a huge range of sewing tasks, both large and small. It features a quick-set bobbin, automatic lever-operated needle threader, bobbin winding in 3 steps, and adjustable sewing speed. A backlit LCD display lets you choose stitches easily, and the wide table is perfect for all but the largest of projects. This is also a compact sewing machine with a weight of just 10 pounds, making it very easy to move. It lacks only a few features found in certain sewing machines, such as an auto thread cutter, but offers a tremendous amount of functionality in return. The features are stitches. The HC1850 includes 130 built-in stitches, including 8 styles of auto-size buttonholes and 55 alphanumeric sewing stitches. The features. This sewing machine features an advanced needle threading function and a jam-resistant drop-in top bobbin. LCD screen. Select stitches with the touch of a button and view your selections on the LCD display. The pros are easy to use. This is a highly versatile sewing machine for quilt work that even beginners can work with. Portable. This sewing machine is lightweight enough to be moved around with no trouble. Huge stitch choice. This sewing machine boasts 130 built-in stitches for a huge range of tasks. Table. This sewing machine offers a very wide table, which is great for larger projects, including small to mid-sized quilts. And for the cons, no auto thread cutter. This sewing machine doesn't feature a built-in auto thread cutter. The HC1850 is a powerful, feature-packed sewing machine that can tackle a wide range of sewing tasks across a multitude of fabrics, even thicker ones. If you're looking for the most versatile sewing machine for this price, it could be the model that ends up lasting you for years to come.
If you like this video, please subscribe the channel for more. Thank you for watching.